Hey loves, it's Brianna. Today's Motivation Monday video is a deep clean of my master bathroom, so you'll get to see how I clean my shower stall and jacuzzi bathtub today. Make sure you are subscribed if you're new, and let me know how your day is going in the comments below. I'm getting started with this clean by spraying the Method Foaming Bathroom Cleaner in my tub and in my shower stall and in my sinks, so that it can sit for a little bit and work its magic while I clean some other areas. This has a really nice eucalyptus mint scent. I just love mint scented products for cleaning my bathrooms. I also use the Method Mint glass cleaner for my mirrors and to clean those glass shower stall doors. I also tried out a couple of new gadgets during Clean Week. You might have seen that video. It was on my channel last month, but I'm going to be using some new favorites in today's video from that one. I'll also be tackling the kids' bathroom as a bonus at the end of this video, so stick around and you can see another new gadget when I clean their bathroom too. And if you know someone who would love some cleaning motivation, share this video with a friend. And if you're not already following me on Instagram or Twitter, let's be friends on there too. And if you're not following me on Instagram or Twitter, you might not know yet that I cut my hair. It is still long enough though, at least, to put up in a messy bun. So that works for me. I always need to be able to throw my hair up. I'm not sure I could go shorter than that. But I'm going to use the Mrs. Meyer's Bluebell scented multi-surface spray to wipe down the wood on our cabinets and the wood paneling in front of the jacuzzi tub. What videos you'd like to see on my channel this fall, and the top two are cleaning videos and vlogs. So I'll definitely be making more of both, but I'm also really excited to decorate for fall in a couple of weeks. Let me know in the comments, when do you start putting out your fall decorations? I like to put mine up on September 1st. That way I have 2 full months of fall decor. And then I put up my Christmas decorations the day after Halloween. So that way I get 2 months of Christmas decorations too. But of course, I will be sharing all of my decorations with you. One of those gadgets I mentioned earlier. This is the Clorox Power Scrubber. It has saved my back when it comes to cleaning my jacuzzi tub, and I feel like it just does such a better job on the jets than I ever could have done by hand. It has a power charger, and a couple of people asked if I felt like the scrubbing head didn't work as well, and I think it actually works really, really good. And here's a second gadget from that weird cleaning product test video that I did. It's called the Rubbermaid Reveal. This is like a power drill scrubber. It gets all of that gunk out of the nooks and crannies on your sink And I also am obsessed with using this in my shower. It gets into all of the grooves on that tile that you see there. So anywhere where there has been some mold buildup or mildew buildup, it gets into those crevices and immediately scrubs it away because it is very, very forceful. I think this is actually my favorite. I don't know, it's kind of tied with the mop that I'll show you in a little bit. But this is a great product. I would highly recommend trying it, especially if you have tile like this in your shower. That Hurricane 360 mop that I tested out in that weird cleaning products video. I ditched my former butterfly mop that I used. It was Clorox brand, just from Target, but this one makes me want to mop my floors so much more. I'm like mopping my floors double the amount that I ordinarily did because it is so much more fun to mop with this. I know there's a couple of other models out that are very similar. I believe somebody said there's one either from Sam's Club or Costco. It's red, but this style of mop I'm obsessed with. So I will definitely link this one in case you're interested in it. All right, on to the kiddos' bathroom. I'm using those same products that I mentioned before, but I did just want to give everyone a fast update on my dad. He's still in rehab and we're still adjusting to this new normal and trying to figure out how to stay healthy and strong for the kids while navigating a lot of hard, heavy stuff. So thank you again for all of the kind words and prayers and support, because I know I couldn't post at my normal times for a while, but I'm so grateful for all of you and this community full of love, because you gave me such a necessary outlet to stay positive and feel normal, because making videos and helping others is what I love to do. So I hope that today's video helps you get some motivation to tackle that to-do list. I did make a video last week with tips on how to love cleaning, and one of those tips is watching cleaning videos, because they always give me so much motivation to get moving. So I hope that these videos do the same for you too. It's a little less frilly, so I keep it in the kids' bathroom because I don't really need to clean the entire shower stall because they just take baths in here. But you can also attach a wipe to that scrub brush, and again, it just really helps my back. So I leave this one for easy access in the kids' cleaning closet in their bathroom. But thank you for watching this video. I hope you subscribe if you liked it, if you're new. And I love this YouTube family that we have here so much. If you need any more motivation, feel free to check out my cleaning video playlist, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves.